Hello friends, welcome back to RUHI's Art World. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo frame for Father's Day. You can take any color sheet. With your scale, measure 7 cm and draw a line. Now measure 5 cm and draw a line. Now with your scale, measure 1 cm and draw a line, then measure 1.5 cm, then draw a line. Again repeat the 1 cm, then 1.5 cm on each side. Now cut the 4 corner piece. Now measure 1.5 cm, then draw a line, then do a side cut on each side. Then cut it out like this. With your scale and scissor, do a slight cut on the paper. With your scale, make a slight bend on each line. Now take a scale and a blade, make a slight cut on the paper. Like this. Now take backside of the paper and add some decorative tapes to look more beautiful. Now take the front part and fold it like this. Now take a colored paper and measure 10 into 15 centimeter. Then take your scale and measure 1 centimeter and draw a line on each side. If you want, you can even keep a photo on the frame or make some designs, but now I am going to write a small thought on Father's Day. I have made some designs on the paper to look more beautiful. If you want to practice calligraphy writing, you can even check the link on description box and on I button top. Now take the photo frame and insert the photo on it, or you can even take a photo with your father and insert it on the frame to surprise your dad. Now take backside of the frame and a little piece of woolen thread and stick it. I wish all fathers a very happy Father's Day from RUHI's Art World. Like my video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and press all so you never miss my video notifications. And thanks for watching. See you all on my next video.